Which synonym belongs to outlaw? The correct answer is absconder. Which synonym belongs to exuberant? The correct answer is high-spirited. Which synonym belongs to atheistic? The correct answer is atheistical. Which synonym belongs to provenance? The correct answer is ancestry. Which synonym belongs to recourse? The correct answer is repeat. Which synonym belongs to brag? The correct answer is boast. Which synonym belongs to kernel? The correct answer is gist. Which synonym belongs to historical? The correct answer is past. Which synonym belongs to yoke? The correct answer is control wheel. Which synonym belongs to monotony? The correct answer is sameness. Which synonym belongs to allay? The correct answer is appease. Which synonym belongs to nurture? The correct answer is upbringing. Which synonym belongs to consanguineous? The correct answer is consanguineal. Which synonym belongs to authoritarian? The correct answer is haughty. Which synonym belongs to recite? The correct answer is spout. Which synonym belongs to antique? The correct answer is coffin dodger. Which synonym belongs to pulchritude? The correct answer is comeliness. Which synonym belongs to sneak? The correct answer is grass. Which synonym belongs to poseur? The correct answer is poser. Which synonym belongs to connoisseur? The correct answer is cognoscenti.